Hi everyone. So today we're going to read a book about flowers. It's not a story, it's a non-fiction, and it has facts in it, things that you would like to maybe learn about with flowers. These things are true, okay? And let's get started. The crocus blooms with the coming spring. It is a beautiful flower. Its petals can be purple, yellow, or white. Let's look behind the petals. Ready? Watch this. Wow. Look at that. Let's look behind the petals. Okay, there we go. The orange pistil and the yellow stamens are hidden inside the petals. The pollen from the stamens must reach the pistil of another crocus for seeds to form. See that? Have you ever looked at the flower up close? Most flowers have colorful petals and sweet scents to attract animals, especially insects who like to eat their sweet nectar or pollen. The pollen sticks to the tiny hairs on an insect's body like a bee. Okay, remember when we talked about bees? Okay, bees will get the pollen and it will stick to them. Okay, and then the insect carries the pollen from flower to flower. Okay. See that? I carry it over. You want to see that again? Here we go. Ready? Is that fun? All flowers do the same thing. They produce seeds so that a new plant can grow. Have you seen these plants? I have them all over my yard. Because remember, we were doing construction for Mr. Lorenzo and Mrs. Ann's house. So the backyard is full of these right now. Do you know what happens? Annabelle and I were looking at the dandelions. These are dandelions. Okay? They're little buds and they pop open and they have these little yellow petals. Okay? And do you know what we got to see? We actually got to see bees, bumblebees, going around gathering pollen and nectar. Okay? And then the bee would leave and it'd go to another one, and Annabelle and I would watch them. But do you know what would happen the next day? Well, after the insect pollinates the flower, the petals dry up and they turn into this. I bet you've seen those before. That is a dandelion. It's just the leaves all dried up, and then see these little pieces on the bottom? Those are seeds. And the seeds will blow and float away, find somewhere to rest, and they hope to grow into their own flower. A strawberry is one kind of a plant that most people do not grow from seeds. The little green buds open to reveal flowers with small white petals. So there's the strawberry flower petals, okay? Okay, and then they start to grow some fruit. See? Right there? So the petals fall off. And then it has this little part right here, and that is part of the fruit. And it grows and it grows and grows, and it starts out green, and then it grows and grows and grows and grows into a red strawberry. Isn't that amazing? Wow. All fruits grow from flowers, and fruits contain the seeds. So an apple started out as a flower. My apple tree right now is full of apple blossoms, and the bees are all over it. They are enjoying it, and then soon those petals will fall off, and then it will have the little nub, remember? The little green part, and it will start to grow, and it will grow into an apple. Okay? We call these vegetables, but scientists call them fruits because they contain seeds. So green beans and eggplant and apples. Okay, we call these two vegetables, but scientists will call them seeds because they have seeds in them. People sometimes use parts of certain flowers to make delicious foods, drinks, and spices. Did you know that some people eat dandelions? Yeah, there's dandelion tea, there's dandelion soup. Isn't that amazing? Yeah. But don't eat it unless you have permission, okay? All right, but you can get spices, cloves. We've worked with cloves before. Those are seeds. Artichokes, lime blossoms, chamomile tea. All of those can be made from plants and fruits and flowers. Sunflowers are very large plants that can grow 10 feet tall. That's taller than me. Oh my goodness. And then if you crush the seeds, it makes cooking oil. Sunflowers are grown in large fields. Their dried seeds are delicious and healthy to eat. The sunflower gets its name because from the way the blossoms turn and they follow the sun. So pretend my hand is the sunflower. If the sun is shining right here, then it will go face the sun. If the sun moves, the sunflower will move. Isn't that amazing? Wow, how fun is that? Here are some flowers. Do you recognize any of them? There's the orchid. Those are really pretty flowers. There's the sage. There's the foxglove and the violet. Here's a violet. I know we've talked about it. We have a friend Violet, huh? And it's a type of flower. It also can be a type, a color. It's a color as well. There's clover. Okay. Some of these irises. Florists get their flowers from plants grown in farms in warm countries or in sunny greenhouses. There's some more. All kinds. So maybe if you go outside, you can look for some beautiful flowers. You might even find a friend hanging out. See if you find any ladybugs with it. Alright. I hope you enjoyed our book on flowers. I'll see you later. Bye.